Hey folks, it's Scott Simone. Just following up on some additional maintenance. I would say probably best to do this during the engine oil and oil filter change. So if you look at the bullet items, there is the draining the oil condensate hose. And the way I went about grabbing that hose or that plug, it grabbed forceps, was able to grab the hose and then kind of use my hand to grab the plug itself. So I went ahead and I painted it yellow, and I marked it so that when I get underneath the bike, you folks will be able to see exactly what I'm talking about. But I went ahead, I pulled the drain, as you can see, nothing dripped out. So I would say we could check this off as being completed. All right, folks, so draining the oil condensate hose. So I used a pair of medical forceps, and you can see I marked it in yellow just for purposes of the video, so everyone kind of gets a feel for where this is located. But it's definitely behind the engine block as you move back towards the bike. So I used the forceps to grab the hose, and then I'm basically twisting and pulling at the same time to pull out this plug. And as you can see, I mean, nothing drained out, but it is part of the service interval, so I figured let me go ahead and at least check that. So I'm going to go ahead and reinsert and check that off on my maintenance. But I guess this could be done, I guess, you know, during the oil change. That's probably the best. Again, I don't even know, maybe even the oil fill plug might be preventing any oil that's inside the hose from actually draining out. So that's it for the oil condensate hose. I'll add it to the engine oil and filter change, and good luck. I hope this helps.